All right, today we're gonna go over how to level the MECHMAXX sawmill on the trailer. This is the SM36, so here we go. First thing we're gonna do is get all the jacks down. So we'll pull the pin, get us up and down. Get it where the hole lines up, and get the pin back in. And we'll do that for all 6. Now that all 6 are done, we're gonna check our level. Have to adjust a little bit. Looks like it's a little too high, so I lift the front and it goes up. So I'm going to want to lower the front a little bit. Lower each side. Come back to this side. We're watching the level. It's getting there. But what we can do is I keep lowering that. Come to the back. Obviously, there's space. So we can raise the back up. Alright, so the back is hitting the ground, so we'll increase it just a little bit here. And then get this one touching the ground as well. Okay, got that level there. All the jacks are down. Let's take this from here. In the back. Says it's a little high back here. So just lower it just a hair. That'll be okay. It'll help gravity feed it forward. And that's how you do it. Now if you don't have a level spot like concrete like I do, you want to use a 2x12 underneath your jacks to help stabilize it. And that is how I level a sawmill trailer.